Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss your favorite and one of the most populated horror mystery TV series from season 4. After the amazing third season finale, the series was renewed for the fourth season in November 2024. The future of the mysterious town of From looks incredibly promising. With the mind-bending revelations of time travel and the fairway tree, the stage is set for an even more thrilling and enigmatic season. We can expect jaw-dropping twists, heart-pounding suspense, and a deeper dive into the town's dark secrets. What new mysteries will be explored in From season 4? How will Tabitha's power develop and be used? Will new characters be introduced in the upcoming season? To know all these things, stay tuned till the end. The mysterious circumstances surrounding Fatima's pregnancy and her encounters with the ghostly kimono women will likely be explored further. Tabitha's newfound spider sense and her potential connection to Victor and the town itself could be a significant plot point. The enigmatic presence of the ghostly children and their purpose within the town remain a mystery. The revelation of time travel and the significance of the fairway tree opens up a world of possibilities for future seasons. Jim's grief over the loss of his son and his ability to communicate with him through disconnected phones could continue to be a central theme. The evolving dynamic between Boyd and Acosta, particularly with the revelations of their shared past, will likely be explored in more depth. We can expect further character development for returning characters like Tabitha, Fatima, and the other residents of the town. Well, now if we move towards the release date, From season 4 is set to release in 2026 and the production is expected to begin in 2025. So prepare to be captivated by chilling atmosphere, mind-bending plot twist, and unforgettable characters. From season 4 is poised to be a truly terrifying and thought-provoking experience. The fate of the town and its inhabitant hangs in the balance, and only time will tell if they can escape the clutches of the mysterious force that has trapped them.